Hi, Valfrania here again with another marketing tip. Have you ever gotten a lowball offer? I have several times, and now I'm going to talk about how to handle that. I have read many comments on Facebook about lowballers over the past few years. It ranges all the way from people getting upset and using abusive language to people just being very kind and gracious and just saying no thanks. I am leaning to the right when it comes to a lowball offer, and I've had many in my time. Just graciously say no thanks. Now, if you want to add something more to that, say, well, I just listed it. There's no reason for me to lower my price. Or you could say, nope, sorry, the price is the price. Or if you're one of those, and I tend to lean this way, if you tend to price a little bit higher than what you're willing to accept, because you know what? People like deals, right? I tend to price about 10%, maybe even 20% above my acceptable price. And if they make a decent offer, I'll say okay or I'll counter it. But whenever I get a lowball offer, I always tell them, no thanks, the price is the price. To me, when it comes to art like this, that people ought to respond like they do if they were to go into an art gallery, because that's what we have, right? We're artists. If they went into an art gallery, they would not offer less money for a piece of art. And that's the way I feel as well, that you deserve the price you think it's worth if you've priced it correctly. And we'll talk about pricing in the future. But lowballers, let's say I have a $600 piece and they offer $100. I am still gracious to them. I still maintain my customer relationship, no matter who it is, and I just tell them no thanks and I end it there. So that's what I encourage you to do. We want to have a good brand. We want to have a good reputation for our brand. My brand is valfrania.com. So my name is attached to my product and I want to have a good reputation. After all, we're here to please the Lord in what we do. We are here to have a good reputation, to point people toward proper behavior, right? Some people just don't understand what proper behavior is, and if we encourage them kindly, perhaps we'll make a difference in their life as well. So you get a low baller, just say no thanks, and then be done with the conversation. Now let me add a little bit to that. Sometimes I play with them a little bit. if I get a low bar offer, or if I get someone to ask for my phone number that I know it's a scammer, sometimes I'll play with them a little bit. I After this, I'll post a video about what my daughter did once, and it's kind of hilarious. But sometimes I'll play with them. Sometimes I'll say something to keep them conversing, to let them know that I can play this game as well. Now, I don't suggest to do that, but sometimes it's just fun, right? So be kind, be gracious, maintain a good customer relationship, no matter who it is, but don't let anybody take advantage of you because you are an artist. Never accept lowball offers, but don't be unkind either. Keep your testimony, and we'll honor the Lord that way. You have a great day.